हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम इस वीडियो में यूजीसी नेट लॉ का प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर दिसंबर 2013 का सॉल्यूशन देखने वाले हैं। तो चलिए आइए शुरू करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, एज पर द प्रोविजन ऑफ द हिंदू अडॉप्शन एंड मेंटेनेंस एक्ट 1956, अ बैचलर मेल अडॉप्ट्स अ चाइल्ड, ही सब्सिक्वेंटली मैरीज अ वुमन, सच वुमन शैल। सही आंसर है सेकेंड, to be second, be the stepmother of that adopted child. Next, question number second है, a Hindu male having a Hindu wife changed his religion and adopts Islam in 2012. He marries again to Muslim girl in 2013. In 2014, his Hindu wife died. His second marriage is, सही आंसर है ऑप्शन 4. Why does his second marriage amount to bigamy? Next, question third. Which one of the following is not a ground for divorce under section 13 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955? सही आंसर है ऑप्शन फर्स्ट. Respondent is convicted for committing an offense. Okay. Next question. A Muslim can make a bequest of his property without the consent of heirs to the extent of. सही आंसर है ऑप्शन 4. 1/3 of his property. Okay. Next question. Which article in the Constitution of India established National Commission for the Scheduled Caste? सही आंसर है आर्टिकल 2, सॉरी ऑप्शन 2, आर्टिकल 338. नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Polluter's pay principle is also known as option 4, principle of extended producer responsibility, EPR. Okay. Next is question 7. Which country does not provide any written constitutional guarantee of fundamental reforms? सही आंसर है क्वेश्चन ऑप्शन 1, यूके. नेक्स्ट है which among the following follow a parliamentary system of government? ऑप्शन 3, सही आंसर है ऑप्शन 3, इंडिया एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया. नेक्स्ट है which among the following countries do not follow the scheme of distribution of power? सही आंसर है ऑप्शन 3, यूके. नेक्स्ट है in which country the appointment of judge are made through the parliament? सही आंसर है ऑप्शन 2, यूएसए. नेक्स्ट, a human being ceased to be a person in law as in fact. सही आंसर है ऑप्शन 4, at death. Next is Salman distinguished between passions in fact and passion in law. He treated passion in fact as. सही आंसर है ऑप्शन 3, a conception. नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन 13. अमेरिकन रियलिस्ट जज जर्मन फ्रैंक described his own attitude towards realism as one of. सही आंसर है सेकंड, कंस्ट्रक्टिव स्केप्टिज्म. नेक्स्ट है 14. The term preferred by Bentham to explain his imperative concept of a law is. सही आंसर है सेकेंड मैंडेट। नेक्स्ट है with respect to which of the following kind of IPR there exists a statutory ban for assignment। तो सही आंसर है ऑप्शन थर्ड जोग्राफिकल इंडिकेशन। नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन 16। मोरल राइट इज अ कंसेप्ट प्रिवेलिंग इन। सही आंसर है ऑप्शन फोर कॉपीराइट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 17। Which of the following international legal instrument is related to patent? सही आंसर है बुडापेस्ट ट्रीटी 1977 ऑप्शन फर्स्ट। नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन 18। Which kind of patent is protectable in India? सही आंसर है ऑप्शन थ्री प्रोसेस पेटेंट। नेक्स्ट to protect and improve the natural environment including forests, lakes, rivers and wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures, it provided under which part of the Indian Constitution? सही आंसर है ऑप्शन टू फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज। नेक्स्ट as per National Green Tribunal Act 2010, environment includes water, air and land and other interrelationship which exist among and between water, air and land and human beings, other living creatures, plants, microorganisms and। सही आंसर है ऑप्शन थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी। नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन 21st। When an absolute right is violated, the law conclusively presumes damages although the person wronged may have suffered no pecuniary loss. This was decided in case of। सही आंसर है ऑप्शन टू एचबी वर्सेस वाइट। नेक्स्ट है रेड हियरिंग prospectus is a prospectus issued। सही आंसर है फर्स्ट प्रायर टू द इशू ऑफ prospectus। नेक्स्ट है the term contra proratentum means। The term contra proferentum means। सही आंसर है फोर्थ ambiguity is to be resolved against the party who inserted limiting term। Next as per the Partnership Act 1932 partnership is defined under। सही आंसर है ऑप्शन फोर सेक्शन फोर। नेक्स्ट Consideration is not necessary for creation of agency. This is provided in Section 185 of the Indian Contract Act. Option first. Next, A makes a contract with B to buy B's horse. If A survives C, this contract can be enforced by law only when. सही आंसर है फर्स्ट. C dies in lifetime of A. Next. There is no distinction between de facto and de jure recognition for the purpose of giving effect to the internal acts of the recognized authority. This was held so in the case of. सही आंसर है ऑप्शन 2, लूथर वर्सेस सागोर. Okay, next. The Supreme Court of the India remarked that extradition with foreign state is, except in exceptional cases, governed by treaties or arrangements made in the case of. सही आंसर है ऑप्शन 3, स्टेट ऑफ मद्रास वर्सेस CG मेन. नेक्स्ट. A man's nationality is a continuing legal relationship between the sovereign state on the one hand and the citizen on the other. The fundamental basis of man's nationality is membership of an independent political community. This definition of nationality was given by the British Mexican Claims Commission in the case of. सही आंसर है ऑप्शन 4, री-लिंच. नेक्स्ट है The General Assembly of the United Nations passed the Uniting for Peace Resolution on. सही आंसर है ऑप्शन 4, November 3, 1950. नेक्स्ट है The Preamble of the Constitution of India. सही आंसर है Can be amended. क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट है According to Kaushal Kishore versus State of UP, the fundamental rights under Article 19 is available against. Option 3, state as well as non-state actor. Next. In which of the following cases has it been held that the doctrine of basic features does not constitute a limitation on the legislature while enacting ordinary legislation? सही आंसर है ऑप्शन फर्स्ट, इंदिरा गांधी वर्सेस राजनारायण. नेक्स्ट. Which among the following provision of the Constitution of India mandates criminalization of prohibited conduct? सही आंसर है ऑप्शन 3, आर्टिकल 17 and 23 only. Next. Mens rea does not include. सही आंसर है ऑप्शन 4, motive. Next. The right of private defense extend to causing death under which provision of IPC? सही आंसर है ऑप्शन सेकंड, सेक्शन 100 and 103 only. Next, A1 and A2 plan to commit robbery. Mere agreement to commit his offence is punishable under which provision of IPC? सही आंसर है ऑप्शन फर्स्ट सेक्शन 120B. नेक्स्ट, A is lawful arrested by Z, who is a police officer. A loses his self-control by grave and sudden provocation due to arrest and kills Z. A shall be punishable under option second, section 302 of IPC. Next, all sums realized by way of penalties under the Competition Act 2002 are credited to. सही आंसर है ऑप्शन 2, कंसोलिडेटेड फंड ऑफ इंडिया. नेक्स्ट, Central Consumer Protection Council is headed by a chairperson who is. सही आंसर है ऑप्शन 2, मिनिस्टर इन चार्ज ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कंज्यूमर अफेयर्स इन सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. नेक्स्ट इज dominant position of an enterprise is reflected in which of the following situation? सही आंसर है ऑप्शन 4, मीन्स B, enterprises operating independently of market forces in India. Second है affecting competition or consumer of relevant market in India in its favor. And D, position of strength enjoyed in relevant market in India. Next है what amongst the following are necessary to constitute a false imprisonment? सही आंसर है ऑप्शन थर्ड, total restraint on liberty of a person. Second, detention may be actual or constructive, and detection or restraint should be unlawful. Okay. Next, what amongst the following are necessary characteristics for libel? तो सही आंसर है ऑप्शन 4, मतलब it is defamation of permanent form with no actual damages need to be proved to sustain an action. And D, falsity of charge is presumed in favor of plaintiff. Next, which of the following are characteristics of a government promissory note? सही ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन फर्स्ट, it is a promise of President of India or Governor of State, and it is regulated by the Indian Security Act 1886. Next है non-obstinate clause in section 145 of Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 provides for which of the following? सही ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन 4, all of above. Dispense with the procedure under section 200 of CRPC. Procedure of examination of complainant and witness on oath is done away. Affidavit of complainant and witness can be accepted, and sworn statement recording by the magistrate is dispensed with. नेक्स्ट है which among the following expressly contain a provision for right to bear arms as fundamental rights? सही आंसर है ऑप्शन थर्ड बी ओनली मीन्स अमेंड सेकेंड ऑफ यूएस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. नेक्स्ट है Constitution of which of the country expressly states that the constitution shall be the supreme law of the land? सही आंसर है ऑप्शन फर्स्ट यूएसए एंड साउथ अफ्रीका. नेक्स्ट है कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट. A. Fundamental rights are expressly provided in the U.S. Constitution. B. Restrictions on fundamental rights are expressly provided in the U.S. Constitution. C. Fundamental rights and human rights are same in India. D. Directive principle in India Constitution are not enforceable by court. सही आंसर है ऑप्शन सेकेंड A and D. Fundamental rights are expressly provided in the US Constitution. D. Directive principles in India Constitution are not enforceable by a court. Question 49. Which among the following makes the distinction between common intention and similar intention? सही आंसर है ऑप्शन सेकेंड ए ओनली महबूब शाह वर्सेस एम्परर. नेक्स्ट है Consider the following statements relating to death penalty. सही आंसर है ऑप्शन फर्स्ट death sentence follows deterrence theory. Recent amendments in IPC and other proposals have added new offences with death sentence. The parliament wants harsh punishment for heinous offences through capital punishment. And E. After rarest of the rare doctrine, the number of capital punishment is reduced. चलिए आज के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी. नेक्स्ट 50 क्वेश्चन हम नेक्स्ट सेशन में करेंगे. आज के लिए थैंक यू.